Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Glory and hope. Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was a South African and apartheid revolutionary political leader and philanthropist who served as President of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. He was the country's first black head of Africa, the state, and the first elected in a fully representative democratic election. His government focused on dismantling the legacy of apartheid by tackling institutionalized racism and fostering racial reconciliation ideologically and African. Nationalist and socialist, he served as president of the African National Congress ANC party from 1991 to 1997. Nelson Mandela was born to the Thembo royal family in Mawes, British South Africa. He studied law at the University of Fort Hare and the University of Witwatersrand before working as a lawyer in Johannesburg. There he became involved in anti-colonial and African nationalist politics, joining the ANC in 1943 and co-founding its youth league in 1944. After the National Party's white-only government established apartheid, a system of racial segregation that privileged whites. He and the ANC of racial segregation that privileged white. He and the ANC committed themselves to its overthrow. Mandela was appointed president of the ANC's Transvaal branch, rising to prom- prominence, prominence for his involvement in the 1952 Defiance campaign and 1955 Congress of the People. He was repeatedly arrested for seditious activities and was unsuccessfully prosecuted in the 1956 treason trial. Influenced by Marxism, he secretly joined the banned South African Communist Party (SACP), although initially committed to non-violent protest in association with the SACP. He co-founded the militant Umkhonto we Caesar in 1961 and led a sabotage campaign against the government. He was arrested and imprisoned in 1962 and subsequently sentenced to life imprisonment for conspiring to overthrow the state following the rival trial. Difficult words and their meanings. Apartheid, official policy for the black people to harm. philanthropist, human friend, racially, racial prejudice, reconciliation, reunion, sedition, rebellion, segregation, separation, privilege, special rights, sabotage to finish, initially beginning. Thank you. If any question.